with you, baby. You're a big baby. Big one.
She's up? Yes, she's.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, cry, mama, cry.
Oh, yes?
She has time. She has 1 minute.
Hello. Come on, catch. You, baby. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Great.
Good morning, Faves.
Morning,
Wait, Ty. Wait. Ah, gee.
That's okay. Give me kiss on the toes.
Where are you going?
To the
Where are you
that
going?
have clothes.
To the shop that have clothes?
Yes.
Okay. That's not true. Tell the Faves where you going, please.
That is back button.
Tyler, can you stop playing? Tell the Faves where you're going.
Oh, Mama, you are a hot mess, Mama.
Can you tell the Faves where you're going for real this time?
To the supermarket with all the vegetables.
Who and you going?
Ice cream.
Who and you going supermarket?
Vegetable ice.
Who and you going to the supermarket?
Me and Papa and me and Papa, we are going to the vegetable supermarket.
What is happening today? Who is coming today?
My cousins.
Your cousins are coming today?
Yes, they're coming now.
No, later. You excited?
Yes, but why they're not coming?
Now? Because they have to take the plane. And the plane is not ready as yet. Right?
Take them into my house.
They have to take the plane to come to your house.
Because their house is too
Far. Right. Say morning, handsome.
Hi, morning.
What you up to?
Well, it's Monday. We have
A long day.
family visiting today, so gotta make the things ready before the ride. And we have other things to do today, so couldn't do anything this afternoon. So we split morning, afternoon. I realized that every time we have a long day, babe not feeling good at the end of the day, so I'm just gonna make her rest, stay with Sarah, and I'm going out with the big boy.
Yes, boys day out without mama again.
It's Monday. It's Monday Lundy.
Very good. Alright, run along. Let's be nice with Papa on the street. Let Papa wipe off the chocolate off your mouth. And you listen to Papa when you're out, okay? And you're gonna go change your bulb for your room. Remind Papa and don't let him forget, okay? Alright?
Papa, après le supermarché, je vais aller acheter le lumière pour ma chambre parce qu'elle est toute aïe.
It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't hurt.
And a for baby sister too.
Mwah.
I'm being greasy, but good to my finger.
Alright, run along, boys. And here is my princess. You guys, my princess is rocking one of her Jamaican outfit. If you're a Jamaican, you know when you see this outfit, you just know. This is what Jamaican babies are known to wear when they're very young. These outfits are really airy. It makes them not too hot. And my mom sent me a bunch of them, so I love putting her in them because I remember having picture of me as a baby wearing some of these in different colors, and she have a bunch of them in the same color. Say morning, princess. Say morning, Sarah. Say morning. Oh, look at that yawn. Say morning, sweet girl. Say morning, Fibs. Morning. So she's there chilling in her lounge, huh? Well, Mama is just straightening up the house this morning. There she is, sweet girl. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, you guys. Today is an exciting day for me because let's just get straight to it. My family is coming from London today to spend a few weeks here with me, with the family, and I am super excited. They'll be here for a while. I mean, a while. They'll be here, say, the entire summer. So if you are not new to our channel, then about 2 years ago you would have seen one of my cousins came here from London with her kids. They are back today, so babe is going to pick them up at the airport tonight. At the moment, Tyler and babe is off to run a little errand on the road and get back. Baby girl and I are home chilling. I just got all fresh, also because baby girl have her 2 weeks appointment to see her pediatrician today to see how everything is going, and that should be a good appointment. So we have that to go in a few hours and then get back home, and my family won't arrive until late night, like midnight tonight. So baby's gonna have to go get them at the airport and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a full-on day for us today. My boys are out, the girls are home. That sounds crazy to say, the girls. Sarah is sleeping right now, so mama is just getting a little cruise going around the house. The house is all fresh. There's nothing really to do in here, so I just don't want to sit around really. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys that enjoy today's vlog. Make sure you guys have a good day, a positive day. It doesn't really matter what it is that you set out today to do. Make it a good one. Let nobody stand in your way of you having a good day. I love you guys, and if it's your first time to our channel, be sure that you subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Love you, and I'll see you guys at some point throughout our day. Look at these two. Alright, ready to go to the supermarket.
Where we come from? We come from the supermarket. So because we have some visitors, we take some extra things. Let's say extra things is not for us. Everything sweet, everything fat is not for us, it's for the visitors. Right, Tyler?
Yes.
Yes.
This is sausage for everybody.
For everybody.
No, it's sausage for visitors.
It's for cousins.
That's time.
Uh-huh.
Time. I find time. I was surprised.
I'm surprised you find it green. They always have it dry in this
I know.
You did well. You always surprise me when you go supermarket by yourself.
I know. You don't have no useful now.
But Jesus Christ. You hear him, Feisty?
This is always for not for visitors.
And this is delight.
For who?
For me.
For you, because your bedroom lights stop.
Yes.
And you don't want to stay in the dark.
No.
Why?
Because when I want to play in my room,
So you don't play?
No, when I go to sleep, I do when I want to play in my room, I do like that, and when I go to night, I do like that.
Oh, okay. So what is that? It's bread.
For toast.
For toast, for you? Because you like toast?
Yeah.
Okay. This is chocolate milk for Tyler.
Yes.
Okay.
It's sauce for fries.
Sauce for fry. Yes.
Fry.
Fry oil. It's sauce for fry. That's new name. Tyler, we're gonna deposit your new name.
Yeah.
This is sauce for fry.
Yeah.
To make fry.
Yeah.
You're right. Some sugar. Oh, you wanted that? You said you wanted that?
Somebody get the little one.
Because that's what
That's
Tyler
what you
wants.
wanted?
That works when they say don't do the supermarket with your kids because the kids want this and this and this. Well, at least I'll choose pasta and not.
Mama, come.
Yes,
Yes, this is the straw.
Show face. It's not me to show its face. No, leave it.
This is straw.
This is straw. So there's something in
straw.
there's something in France. They
It's not
ban.
France. It's everywhere in the world.
It's everywhere.
Uh-huh.
They banned
Plastic straw.
the plastic straw, so we can't find plastic straw. So we booked
Wait, Papa talking.
reusable.
Reuse, washables.
Reusable is written.
It's
Pajitas. Et there is some Spanish. Pajitas.
Show face.
This is
Ouh, attention, il y a la sauce, ça va tomber si tu fais comme ça. Tu veux faire la douche de la sauce?
Mama.
Yes.
So when I was watching the phone of Papa in the cup, I feel that it was hot like.
Papa put the hot chicken on you.
No.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
No.
So that's chicken. That's already
Rotisserie.
rotisserie. That's how you say it in English. Rotisserie. Yeah, that sounds.
Bullet.
What is that?
In French, it's called a bullet.
Ah, that's bouillette. Yeah, right. That's
And in English is what?
How you call it? Is meatball?
Meatball.
Is you call meatball or is really
No, it is
meatball?
But you guys need to show the face what you're thinking of.
Meatball? A good amount of meatball because I like meatball. It's not only for Tyler, it's for me.
Look, it's a pasta.
It's some vegetables pasta, some tomatoes and spinach pasta. Who eat that? Visitors eat that.
No, it's for me.
It's for you.
Yes.
And me too.
I am going to pack baby girl bag so we can go.
So we get a lot of juice for people who come to visit us. Apple juice, orange juice, multi-freeze, like a lot of juice together, like fruit punch. Potatoes, always good to have some potatoes at home.
Okay. What is that? Show. What is that?
This is for visitors. This is things for morning to eat in the morning. Some chicken. Here we eat only chicken. So it's chicken thighs and chicken legs.
Qu'est-ce que tu as de attraper? Tiens, attrapez ça d'abord. C'est quoi ça? No, you don't want to take this one? But which one you want to take? Alright, so what's Papa have is
Some more juice.
This is some onion.
It's not onions, it's potatoes. You like potatoes?
No, I like onion.
You like onions?
Yes.
Oh, yucky. You eat onions like this? So how you like your potatoes? You like this?
I like the orange. I won't like the.
What is that? Potatoes?
Yeah.
How do you like your potatoes?
Like that.
Like that, just like that?
Yeah.
You cook them
Yeah.
or uncooked?
Cook.
You cook?
Yeah.
And you like it when it's mashed potatoes or you prefer when it's fries? You know that fries is potatoes? Do you know that? Woof woof. Let me give you some dog food. Eh? I give him some dog food. Avocado for healthy people. And tomatoes for healthy. Babe want to eat healthy these last days. So she eat ice cream and tomatoes. I think it's to make her feel not guilty. So some zucchini. She's also into soup. I don't know if you realize who eats soup when it's that hot outside. We should be the only one. Hot soup. And after she said, it's hot. Some banana. Banana always useful at home. I don't know if since we come back from the hospital, I still feel hungry. So hopefully that's gonna help if I want a snack. Some sugar. I don't know what babe do with sugar. It's 2 packs of sugar and I never see her use sugar. She say, do that without sugar, do that without sugar, but I have to buy 2 packs, so you have to go somewhere.
This is a big dinosaur.
Some more avocado.
Papa, regarde ce gros dinosaure.
Yeah. Some chicken liver. We had chicken liver yesterday, that was good. And some biscuit. Who is it for?
Me.
It's for you, chocolate biscuit?
Yes.
Okay.
Wanna ice cream.
That's ice cream for who? For Papa. For everyone? You like ice cream?
Yes, everyone.
I believe that Tyler mama tell me that Tyler didn't like ice cream.
We like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's not true. You don't like ice cream?
Yeah.
Yes, you sure?
The uncle and the mama just say like it.
How you create drama, Tom? And biscuit, chocolate, and yeah, I also buy 2 packs of
Papa.
I also booked 2
Papa.
Papa, come. I also booked 2 packs of 6 bottles of milk. When Babe was at the hospital, she had like, I'm gonna say like French breakfast for 3-4 days. She never used to get French breakfast. When I say French, it's like chocolate and bread with jam, things like this. And since she come back every morning, she wake me up and she say she wanted chocolate with milk. She want to toast bread and to put jam on it. So 2 packs of 6 bottles, because I'm sure it's gonna be not enough 1 pack for the week. And yeah, so we have 2 packs. I should have got jam, that might have been better, but yeah, I got some bread for her, so I think we'll be fine for the week. Tyler is here. Tyler is playing with the Paw Patrol. So I hope you're all doing well. Time to pack up all of these things, and we'll see you guys soon. And when I look at the time, it's 2 p.m. and we have to leave in 20 minutes to go to the doctor appointment, so gotta rush.
And we're off to see the doctor. You ready? You ready? Look at you in your little cute dress. Ready to go? Yeah, bright eye girl. Alright, let's go. Mama, let's go. You guys, we're at the doctor with Princess. Still. Her appointment went well though. She's doing really good. Check all the boxes, put on weight, everything is good. But we're at a little consultation at the moment that I'll tell you guys about after we finish. Yes, Pumpkin? My big baby's over there going to color.
What do you want?
I want you to draw me a heart.
A heart?
Yes, with the red one.
Okay.
With the red.
I'm gonna do green for Papa.
Okay.
The green for
So
Papa
girl.
and then you do red for Mama.
Princess is there sleeping in a rainbow dress. I took off her headband because it keeps sliding off. But yeah, her appointment is went well, and we're waiting on this consultation right now. You guys, my day went by so fast after that clip. I didn't get to come back on and give you guys an update of how what that consultation was about and all that. So you know, babies can have tongue tie, where this card under the tongue sometimes is too short, or sometimes the doctors have to clip it for them to suck properly and stuff like that. sometimes when she cry or when she feeds, I thought that she was struggling a bit. That was in the beginning, so we had gotten an appointment for a consultation to see if hers need to clip a bit, but we did a consultation yesterday and hers is perfect. Nothing is needed to be done to it, so that was what the consultation was about. We got back home and rested a bit so babe could go to the airport to pick up my cousins, which are here. They're all here. Those are the babies at the moment. Yeah, so my cousins are here, and they'll be here for a while. So I'm just coming on to end the vlog here and tell you guys thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell faves bye bye.
Bye bye.
Give me a kiss.
Mama.
Give me a kiss. Mwah.